I can relate it back to seeing the sustainable buildings that I visited during ANCA summits and knowing that that was the direction that our center needed to head, and being able to use the resources of ANCA to bring that to fruition. There's a multitude of areas of growth of this facility that can be directly attributed to the experience with ANCA and observing what other organizations have done to elevate their nature centers. I can't speak enough as to what ANCA has meant to the environmental nature center's growth.